Tony Tan Caktiong, born January 5, 1953, is a Filipino businessman and investor. He is the founder and chairman of Jollibee Foods Corporation and the co-chairman of Double Dragon Properties. Forbes listed him as the fifth richest person in the Philippines in 2023, with an estimated net worth of $3.2 billion United States dollars. Tan Caktiong was born on January 5, 1953 in the then undivided province of Davao, in now Davao del Sur, to Chinese immigrant. Parents from Fujian, his father worked in a restaurant in China and as a cook in a Buddhist monastery in Manila before setting up his restaurant in Davao City. Tony Tan Caktiong attended high school at Chiang Kai-shek College and graduated from the University of Santo Tomas with a degree in chemical engineering in 1975. Tan had initially planned his fledgling nascent company to be an ice cream parlor, when he founded Jollibee and then added dishes such as hamburgers, French fries, and fried chicken. Tan Caktiong founded the fast food chain Jollibee in 1978 after starting it as an ice cream parlor in 1975. Expansion and acquisition of Greenwich Pizza Corp. enabled it to enter the pizza pasta segment. In early 2006, Jollibee Foods Corporation bought out the remaining shares of its partners in Greenwich Pizza Corporation, equivalent to a 20% stake for $3.84 million in cash. As of August 2008, Tan Caktiong's Jollibee has 1,480 stores worldwide, including Jollibee, Red Ribbon, Caktiong, Greenwich, Manong Peppies, and Mang Inasal. In 2012, Tan Caktiong, through his holding company, Honey Star Holdings Corporation, invested in Injap Land Corporation, a property company founded by Edgar Sia2, with Tan Caktiong's entry. The company was renamed Double Dragon Properties Corporation. Tan Caktiong is married to Grace. He has 3 children. He is also the brother of Ernesto Tanmanching, who is the president and CEO of Jollibee Foods Corporation. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.